How to delete a game pass in the Roblox Please Donate. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Roblox and log in your account. After that you have to go on the create, and here you have to tap on the manage my experiences. Now once you are here, you have to go on the public experience, and here you have to click on these three doors and go on the create badge. Now once you are in, you have to add the name and add the description. After adding this, you have to also add the image. After this, you have to simply click on the create badge. Once the badge is created, you have to click on the passes, and here you have to repeat the same process and create a pass. You have to add the name and also add the description. After adding this, you have to click on the upload image and upload it. After that, you have to simply create the pass. Now once the pass is created, you have to go back to your Roblox, and there you have to select the please donate. After selecting this, you have to just delete the pass which you want to delete. You have to simply click on the delete and the pass has been changed. So this is how you can delete game pass in the please donate.